This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Powell. Meticulously maintained by original owners, this custom-built home shines like brand new. New double-hung, low-E windows, installed 2020. New Two Zone Trane HVAC systems, installed 2019. Maplewood floors on first level. Gourmet kitchen features big walk-in pantry, professional-grade appliances and large island. Spacious family room with beautiful stone fireplace, plus additional flex/rec room large enough for pool table. Enjoy year-round outdoor living in the private 1-acre lot featuring lush landscaping, covered veranda, paver patio, hot tub, and built-in grilling station. Community is adjacent to Sleepy Hole Golf Course and Park.